Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil reminder light on the '08 Honda Fit with the 1.5 liter engine. Okay guys, so on this Honda Fit all you're going to do is just turn the key on. You're going to go to the oil life indicator over here. Let me zoom in for you guys. And what you're going to be using is this little button that's right on top, the odometer button. And all you're going to go to this screen. You got to just click on it if you're not there. Click through until you get there. And you're going to hold it down for about 10 seconds. And then the whole entire thing is going to start flashing. And once the entire thing starts flashing, you're going to let go of the button and then press it back down for about 3 to 5 seconds. So we let go and we press it back down for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then it'll reset the entire thing at that point. And there it is, 100% life left. So now we can just go back to the odometer and then we'll be good to go. Thanks so much for watching. That was it. Very simple. You just press the button down for about 10 seconds. When it starts flashing, you let it go and then press it back down for about 5 seconds, and that'll reset your light. Thanks so much for watching, and hit the like button if this video helped. Take care. Go ahead, do it again. Just fuck around, move around.
It's go time! Yeah, guys, today I'm talking about this racket. Yeah, see this guy?
Think that. Again, just fuck around, move around.
It's go time! Go time!
Yep.